So today on Bill Builds, we are going to be making a really cool log cabin birdhouse. I'm making this out of cedar, two different types of cedar. One is the white you'll see right now, and another is red that you'll see at the end. So remember, hit subscribe and stay tuned to the next coming videos because they're going to be great. Now I'm using my crosscut sled to crosscut all of the pieces down to 7 1/4, 8, 9 1/4, 10. And then I will rip my bottom down off camera and the roof pieces off camera as well. Now what you're going to see me do is take a 1.5" Forstner bit and drill the hole out for where the birds are going to go. Forstner bits are just great for doing that type of stuff. This is my scroll saw, meet Scrolly. He is going to cut all the ledges out for the log cabin effect on the bottom, and I'm just going 3/4 in and 3/4 from each side. Now what you're seeing me do, I'm taking the messed up brad nail out, and I'm using some Titebond original, and then using a brad nailer I am going to nail all of the logs down, and it kind of looks cool when it's done.